Recently, I made a home theater video out of 100-volt amplifier speaker connecting a cylindrical port to get all bass effect. But here I gonna replace all that in a bandpass subwoofer box and making two separate satellite speakers. So let's get started. So I'm gonna make the box out of cardboard box. Use old multi-layer cotton box to make it, then 100-volt speaker, then TDA2030 amplifier board, a Bluetooth module for audio input. So this is the exact shape of the subwoofer box we are going to make, putting speaker vertically and collecting the vibrations through this part. So let's get started. Let me show you how to connect this Bluetooth module to this amplifier. So basically this Bluetooth module comprises the FM radio, then USB, then Bluetooth, then aux cable, and also we have a micro SD port available with custom volume control, then scanning, maybe the SD card, then the volume control, then the mode changing. We have 4 or 5 modes here, and also dancing displays available, and this is pretty much cheap. And we have 2 connections available. The first one in the red color is for connecting 5 volt voltage, that actually we have a dedicated USB connection is available in the amplifier. Here you can see that there's a 5 volt. Then we have one more connection is there, that is for the audio connection, as well as it is attached to a FM antenna, that is written here ANT. Then these are 3 pins. Here you can see the 5 connection, actually it's 4. Then the that's a lower audio, I think that's the left part or the left audio channel. Then the mid one is a ground one. Then this one is the right audio channel. So these are the connections respectively, and this connection would be end up here, that is in the that is in the audio controlling port, that's the VRC output portion. Let's talk about the amplifier connection. This is a TDA2030 100-watt amplifier, which is pretty much enough to give high bass effect. So the first one on the right side is for connecting the transformer, which is a step down transformer 12012. It's kind of any other step down transformer connection. Then the next one is for bass connection. Actually we are connecting a potentiometer or variable resistor. Here you can choose up to 100K potentiometer. You have 3 pins available, and also the treble connection is same kind like this, and also it's mandatory to connect variable resistors here for working for the smoother working of our subwoofer box as well as the circuit. Then this portion and this pin is for connecting. Either you can connect the aux cable. In the previous video I made a ported subwoofer. I used to connect an aux cable replacing the Bluetooth module. So this could be also used for, here you can see it's written VRC output. You can connect the Bluetooth module as well as aux cable, the 3 pins in a row. And this one is for SP, that is for speakers. This is a 2.1 speaker, and which is used 2 satellite speakers, and 1 pin is common. Then the next 2 pins will go into each edges of the 2 speakers. And the next one is the 5 volt, that's a USB 5 volt power up connection, which is used to power up the Bluetooth module. And this is very much easy to connect. We can just connect directly. And there you can see one more connection in the side is specifically for the subwoofer speaker. So connect that and solder. Then finally connect the transformer to the main plug.
Bluetooth mode. Paired.